Hey guys, today we're going to flush some latex gloves on these two toilets, the American Standard Cadet 3 versus the Kohler Highline Ingenium. First, let's give them both a flush, but I'm going to hold the handle for all tests. I like to flush on this one. I like to flush on both toilets. The first amount we're going to do is 8 gloves. Let's see how it does. Took them all. Let's see how the 2001 Kohler Highline Ingenium can take that, or if it clogs. Alright, let's give it a flush. Yep, took them all as well. $20 gloves. If both toilets pass this, we're gonna double up to 40. Took them all. Uh-oh. It's stuck like right here. And there's only one glove left floating. Second flush. Let's see if it unclogs itself. Nope. Looks clogged. Dang, it's clogged. All of them are bunched up. 40 rubber gloves. Oh boy. This is going to be a big test. Let's see if it takes it, or if it clogs, or more flushes. Well, it looks like it's clogged. We'll be back for a second flush. Second flush. Let's see if it unclogs itself. Well, here goes a hard clog. It did fail the test, but that was a lot of gloves. Let's see how the Highline will take that. I'm guessing this will clog much worse than the Cadet 3. But we shall see. Yep. Oh. Well, it did take some of it, but it needs another flush. Flush 2. Let's see if it can take the rest of it. It did take 2 flushes, but that was a pretty big one. So, the winner for the test of the gloves is probably the Kohler. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like and comment and subscribe. More tests you guys want to do on these 2 toilets, comment down below. See you guys in the next video. Bye.